Hi. I want to know how was your expectation? What was the expectation before coming here? And how are you feeling about attending the conference? And is there any scope of improvement or inputs that you would like to state?
Yeah, so it's my second sandwich panel in India. So I learned today it's not the second one, actually it's fourth one. So that's already very encouraging that the discussions were happening and let's say like-minded people were collaborating and developing this togetherness. So I'm very happy today that second sandwich panel happened at this scale, and thanks to Ajay ji and the team who organized so successfully. And I see that here different stakeholders, not only manufacturers, but also other associated, let's say, players in the market, whether it is raw material supplier, architects, consultants, all these people are there, the influencers are there, who are very important to promote this product as it has very good inherent properties. So it needs the joint effort from all the stakeholders to talk about it and to promote this and to help Indian building industry to change the choice of material in the future buildings. In terms of future expectations, I would say I think that today the theme was very nice, nicely put. First of all, we did the customer segmentation, because when it comes to sandwich panel, people say it's a sandwich panel. That sandwich panel is not the same when you use it for cold store, when you use it for industrial logistics or commercial or residential segment. So today we tried to give the different applications and the properties of the sandwich panel into different segments. So the agenda was organized segment-wise, which was one of the, I think, successful thing. And in Europe, for example, we see that these segments are well developed. Even the players, the manufacturers are also dedicated for those segments, and they develop innovation is then happening more precisely to the point. Now coming to the last session we just had on the sustainability and the recycling, and that's very important topic for any construction material. Those have to be 100% recyclable. So today all we learned that sandwich panel is 100% recyclable material, and we must promote this topic because this will help us to replace the alternative non-recyclable material. And then further we discussed about how this overall economics of the recycling supply chain will work. And I saw very good inputs from chemical suppliers and third-party profit centers which are emerging. So I see that the topic sustainability and recycling really caught the attention of the audience. And I'm sure that this is going to be a successful punchline for us in the future to further promote this product. So in the future, for the next events, first of all, we have to continue this event every year. And I would also say that it's good that we enlarge the participant base, and also the topics will be more refined, more focused on the technical aspects of the product, and not only presenting companies and the stakeholders. Today we are getting to know each other, but in the future conventions it will be more, let's say, very relevant topics will come, and more right set of audience, also more architects will be able to catch the attention of those influencers in the future, and they will be also coming in more and more numbers. So that's my, let's say, overall feeling of today. It's quite eventful day, and thanks to Ajay ji and team again to have organized this so successfully, and looking forward to contribute. ArcelorMittal will always stand in the front line to promote this kind of conference and events. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure.